Hey fellow riders, just wanted to give a quick unboxing of a Klim Krios Pro, starting right now on MotoTravelUSA. Hey everybody, just got a new Klim Krios Pro and really just wanted to make a quick video to show everyone who's interested, like I was, what you get inside the box when you purchase a Klim Krios Pro. Haven't opened this yet. This is how it came from Klim. Let's break right in. So I've wanted this helmet for a while and finally broke down. That's what you see when you first open it. Let's see. The peak. Wrapped in a nice belt bag to protect it. Looks like a shield. I'd assume this is the transitions shield. No, maybe the transitions shield is already on it. This might just be a clear shield with the pin lock accessories, or ready to put the pin lock in right there. And then the helmet. Before I get to the helmet, let's just see what else is in here. The pin lock in a bag. And then it's empty. Here's the helmet. Comes in a nice helmet bag. And then also some other protection. Oh, there's something in there. Looks like a sticker, the clips to put on the visor. Just miscellaneous odds and ends. And the helmet. There you go. So yeah, the transition shield is already installed on the helmet itself. But this is what it looks like taken right out of the box. This bag really quick. Guarantee. Marketing card. Another marketing card. Marketing card. Instruction manual, extra pin lock things. That's actually pretty cool. And then just odds and ends of plastic. So there you go. I just wanted to give you a quick look at how the Klim Krios Pro is packaged. This is what it looks like. Helmet looks pretty cool in person. Hopefully it's coming across like that on camera. Hope you liked it. Thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to the channel. Let's go explore.